When you look up at the night sky or clear evenings, what do you see? Well, the magnificent moon. So am I going to talk about the moon today? Well, interestingly, moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. And in English, we have certain expressions and phrases that you can use in your conversations with the word moon. Hey friends, I'm Niharika and welcome back. Well, in today's lesson, I have some expressions and some phrases with the word moon for you. So the next time you think about moon, try to remember these expressions in your conversation so that you sound very fluent in English. So we will start with the very first expression, which is to shoot for the moon. So to shoot for the moon, it means to ask for the best or to aim high. Like if you have to use it in your conversation, how would you use this expression? Well, you can say that 2016 seems to be a great year for business and therefore we should shoot for the moon. So it means that you're being ambitious, isn't it? So to aim high or to ask for the best, that is when you can use the expression to shoot for the moon. Moving on to the second expression is over the moon. So when you're extremely happy or extremely delighted, well, rather than just saying, yay, I am so happy today or I'm extremely delighted, use this expression. Well, I feel over the moon today. So over the moon, it means to be very happy. So maybe shooting for the moon was quite a successful thing for you, and that's exactly the reason you're super happy now. So you can say that I am over the moon because our company is doing so well. Okay? Moving on to the third expression with the word moon is once in a blue moon. Now, well, scientists say that moon does appear blue after a volcanic eruption. But this happens rarely, hardly ever, okay? Now in English, when you use this expression that once in a blue moon, it means very rarely. Like you do something very rarely. If you have to use this in your conversation, how would you use it? Well, let's look at an example. Well, I don't drink too much, but maybe once in a blue moon, a beer with my friends is fine, but that's about it. So I don't drink, but yes, when I'm with my friends, it's like once in a blue moon, hardly ever, I'll just take a bottle of beer and that's about it, okay? Moving on to the next one is many moons ago. So what does this really mean, many moons ago? Well, many moons ago is quite an old-fashioned expression, which actually means long time ago. So I haven't met my friend Sam forever now, but yes, I had last met her in New York, which was many moons ago. So it means it was really long ago that I met her in New York, okay? And then the last expression that I have for you with the word moon is to moon over someone. So what does this mean, to moon over someone? When you are thinking about someone all day long, maybe you're attracted or you really like this person way too much, and you can't really concentrate on your work, but all you do is you think about this person all day long. Yes, because you're so much in love with this person. So what are you doing? You are mooning over that person. Okay, so if you want to use this in a sentence, you will say that John is not that great in his work. The reason because he's been mooning over this lady he met at work. Okay, so it means to think of someone. Well, to think of someone all day long. Okay, so these are some expressions with the word moon. And now let's have a look at some phrases with the word moon. So here again, we are not talking about the moon, but yes, certain phrases that you can use in your conversation about people. So the first one is moon face. Now when you look at this phrase, do you think I'm talking about a pretty face? Because moon is pretty, no doubt about it. But moon is round. Well, there are several shapes of moon, but the actual moon is a round moon. So round face can be also called as a moon face. So if your friend has a round face, or probably he has gained too much weight around his face, then you can say, you need to lose weight. Look at the moon face that you have. Okay? Moving on to the next one is moon child. So who is a moon child? Well, a person who is born under the zodiac sign of Cancer. So we have many zodiac signs. We have Leo, we have Virgo, we have Libra, and so many others. But someone who is born under the zodiac sign of Cancer is a moon child. So someone you know who is born under the sign of Cancer, you can say, oh, you are a moon child. Okay? Moving on to the next one is honeymoon. Well, the lovey-dovey honeymoon. So when a couple gets married and they go for a small vacation or a holiday, well, that holiday period is called as honeymoon. So it's a very lovey-dovey period. The reason because the couple has just got married and it's the very first trip that they take together. So that's a honeymoon. So a married couple going for a trip and immediately after their wedding. Okay, so that's honeymoon. The next one, moon eye. Well, moon eye is, there's another term again with the word moon, which is moon blindness, which actually means night blindness. So yes, there are certain people who face night blindness, and that is exactly called as moon eye or moon blindness. Okay. And then the last phrase that I have for you is a moon calf. Well, who is a moon calf? Well, a very foolish person, someone who is so absent-minded and just so silly and stupid. Well, you can call him as a moon calf. You are such a moon calf. So if you have a friend who is like super silly and absent-minded, call him a moon calf. Okay? So I hope this really helps you. Once again, we have some expressions with the word moon and of course some phrases with the word moon. So start using them because they're really simple, and of course that will really make you sound confident. And I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.